Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Bonk on Binance exchange. So first of all, we need to make sure what type of contract on which network basically the Bonk is. As you can see, it is on Ethereum, so we need to know that. I'm just going to copy the contract address from here, and now on the markets, as you can see on Binance, Bonk is from USDT mostly. So let's go ahead and use that. Now on Binance, you want to go ahead and click buy crypto, and you can go ahead and spend any currency and buy USDT. So for example, if you already have USDT, then that's great. You go to your assets, and after that you go to spot. From here, you're gonna choose trade, and you will be redirected to this page. Here on search, you want to search for Bonk. And as you can see, here it is. You want to choose Bonk USDT. After that, you can go ahead and scroll down until you see buy Bonk. And here is the price for one Bonk. You can go ahead and enter how much you want to go ahead and buy. So let's, for example, buy 10,000, and that's how much you will go ahead and pay. And you just click buy Bonk, and after this your Bonk will be on your assets. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.